the ancient Japanese secret that reduces food waste by 40%. Transform your kitchen today. Picture this. You open your refrigerator right now, and instead of feeling that familiar wave of overwhelm at the chaos inside, you experience something completely different. Complete clarity. Every item has its place, nothing is forgotten, nothing goes to waste. You know exactly what you have, what needs attention, and what meals await you. This isn't fantasy. This is how millions of Japanese families live every single day, and it's the reason they waste 40% less food than the rest of the world. What if I told you that in the next 15 minutes, you'll discover 7 time-tested Japanese principles that will not only revolutionize your kitchen, but transform your entire relationship with food, time, and mindful living? Before we dive deep into these life-changing practices, I need you to do 2 things. Hit that subscribe button if you're ready to embrace a more intentional way of living, and drop a comment telling me, what's the most frustrating thing about your current kitchen organization? Let's build a community of mindful changemakers together. The hidden crisis in our kitchens. Have you ever stood before your open refrigerator, not searching for something missing, but overwhelmed by everything that's simply existing there? Those forgotten jars pushed to the back corners, vegetables slowly losing their vibrancy in neglected drawers, containers of leftovers that carried such promise when you first stored them, yet now sit as silent reminders of good intentions unfulfilled. This scenario plays out in kitchens worldwide every single day. In our abundance-rich society, our refrigerators have become graveyards of expired possibilities, reflecting a profound disconnect between our intentions to nourish and our actual relationship with the food we bring home. But step into a traditional Japanese household and you'll discover something extraordinary. Food transcends mere sustenance. It embodies reverence, responsibility, and a reflection of one's character. This fundamental difference and perspective has shaped an entirely different approach to kitchen organization, one that extends far beyond simple tidiness into the realm of conscious living. The Japanese methodology isn't concerned with creating Instagram-worthy spaces or following rigid organizational rules. Instead, it's rooted in ancient philosophies, Mottainai, the regret over waste, and the inherent value in all things. Seiri, the practice of sorting and systematic organization. And Danshari, the art of refusing excess, disposing of clutter, and separating from attachments that no longer serve. These principles invite us to reimagine our kitchens, not as storage facilities, but as sacred spaces for mindfulness, intention, and gentle transformation. The power of this approach doesn't lie in its visual appeal, though simplicity often carries its own beauty, but in how it fundamentally changes your daily experience. A Japanese kitchen may appear minimalist, even sparse to Western eyes, but beneath that apparent simplicity lies an intricate system of choices deeply connected to the rhythms of time, the cycles of seasons, and the authentic needs of the soul. Every storage container, every organizational choice, every labeled item serves as a gentle reminder you already possess enough, and what you possess deserves honor and attention. 7 transformative practices for mindful kitchen organization. Practice 1. Create your use-soon sanctuary. The first time you open your refrigerator and truly see what's there, not what you're looking for, but what actually exists, you might experience that peculiar sense of disconnection. Shelves filled with food, yet you remain uncertain about what requires immediate attention, what has already passed its prime, or what remains safely consumable. This uncertainty doesn't merely lead to waste, it creates a subtle but persistent anxiety, like inhabiting a home where nothing communicates, where everything exists in isolated silence, gradually fading from memory and relevance. The Japanese philosophy of Mottainai offers a beautiful remedy. the understanding that everything possesses inherent value and deserves honor before its time passes. From this reverent perspective emerges the practice of creating a "you soon" zone, a dedicated space within your refrigerator for items approaching their expiration dates. This isn't about rigid rules or complex systems. It's about cultivating awareness, like reserving a place of honor for a cherished friend before their departure, not from obligation, but from genuine gratitude for their presence while it lasts. When you designate this special area, perhaps marked by a clear tray, a gentle label, or even a small wooden divider, something shifts in your consciousness. Using ingredients before they spoil transforms from a burdensome chore into a quiet promise to yourself. Nothing under my care will be forgotten or wasted, not even this slightly overripe tomato or those herbs beginning to wilt. Throughout Japan, families have woven this practice into their daily rhythms. It's a small habit that creates expansive ripples, reducing the 30 to 40% of household food typically discarded, while cultivating deeper consciousness in every decision we make. Instead of constantly acquiring more, they learn to pause and appreciate. Instead of forgetting, they develop the art of remembering. One practitioner described how their "you soon" tray transformed their entire relationship with cooking. "It made me feel like a chef curating a special menu, not someone desperately trying to clear out spoiled food. It became a creative ritual instead of a stressful obligation." This practice embodies kintsugi, the Japanese art of mending broken pottery with gold to celebrate its imperfections. Aging ingredients, rather than being sources of guilt, become invitations to create, to care, to express gratitude. Those slightly softened green onions, that carton of milk opened 3 days ago, those weekend leftovers, when placed in a visible, honored location, clearly labeled and warmly welcomed, these once forgotten elements become the foundation of thoughtful, nourishing meals. Your external environment mirrors your internal state. When your refrigerator becomes clear, calm, and intentional, your mind follows suit. Opening the door no longer feels like confronting chaos. It becomes a quiet moment of mindfulness, a touchstone with your deeper self. Certainly, busy days will sometimes see this zone neglected or overcrowded, but the simple awareness of its presence, the knowledge that you're listening to your kitchen and honoring your authentic needs, creates the fundamental shift. Reducing waste doesn't begin with disposal. It starts with placing things in their rightful homes, offering a corner of care, breathing slowly in the midst of life's rapid pace. This practice extends far beyond refrigerator organization. It's about reorganizing your presence and the depth of attention you bring to everyday moments. Practice 2. Embrace the power of transparency. Have you experienced that peculiar sensation of opening your refrigerator and feeling surrounded by abundance, yet unable to truly see what's available? The uncertainty about contents, the mystery of what lies inside cloudy containers, the frustration of not remembering where you placed yesterday's fresh scallions. Opaque containers, murky storage bags, and layers stacked without system transform the simple task of finding ingredients into something unexpectedly draining, like searching through fog for something you know exists but can't quite locate. The Japanese approach offers elegant clarity through transparency, not as a design trend, but as a reflection of a deeper philosophy of living. As the principle of Seiri teaches us, true appreciation begins with visibility. Nothing can be genuinely honored unless it's first seen and acknowledged. Transparent storage transformed your relationship with your ingredients. Glass containers allow you to assess contents without lifting lids. Shallow, clear trays ensure even the smallest items remain visible and accessible. When everything can be seen, your ingredients begin to communicate their needs, and you, as the guardian of this nourishment, can respond with awareness and care. Your refrigerator evolves from a cramped storage facility into a space of quiet order and understated beauty, breathing room reminiscent of tatami mats and traditional Japanese homes, where every element fits harmoniously with its neighbors in serene, purposeful rhythm. Using clear containers becomes a form of moving meditation. You begin arranging not because someone has instructed you to, but because you desire to see your life with greater clarity. Mental tracking becomes unnecessary because your refrigerator now tells its own story through transparency and calm organization. When food is sorted into clear trays, arranged thoughtfully, and presented in a visually gentle manner, your consciousness follows. Searching for ingredients transforms from a frantic scramble into a moment of peace. No more digging through mystery containers, no more guessing games, simply seeing and choosing with intention. What becomes transparent no longer generates anxiety. This is the sensation when every container is easily visible, easily reached, easily remembered. Opening your refrigerator transforms from facing clutter into stepping into a space that breathes with purposeful intention. Of course, maintaining these clear containers adds another task to your weekly routine. But when integrated into the Japanese practice of osoji, regular mindful cleaning, this maintenance becomes less of a burden and more of a ritual. A clean, clear container isn't merely hygienic, it represents a fresh beginning, a small but significant commitment to honoring what you have. As a Japanese proverb reminds us, your outer environment reflects your inner stillness. Your refrigerator holds your food, but more profoundly, it mirrors how you live, how you pay attention, and how you care for your possessions. Through the simple practice of using transparent containers, not only does your food become more visible, but perhaps in this gentle act of tending, you begin to see yourself with greater clarity as well. Practice 3. The sacred art of labels and messages. Unlabeled food often leads to waste simply because we forget what it is or when it should be eaten. In Japan, labeling with dates and carrying messages turns storage into an act of mindfulness. Following Seiri order and Ichigo Ichi once-in-a-lifetime moments, a note like "use by Tuesday" or "for a gentle morning" creates connection and intention. Updating labels weekly, moving items to a use soon zone, turns a chore into a ritual. This transforms your fridge into a reflection of a calm, cared-for mind. Practice 4. The accountability of visual memory. Forgetting what's in your fridge often leads to buying duplicates. Many Japanese families solve this by photographing the inside of their fridge before shopping. This simple habit connects decisions with actual needs, prevents waste, and encourages gratitude for what's already there. It also reflects wabi-sabi, accepting imperfection and change by revealing habits, progress, and areas for improvement. A weekly photo helps track changes, reduce waste, and make food choices with more presence. Practice 5. Technology as a mindful companion. Used with intention, technology can quietly support mindful living. Apps for food management aligned with Mottainai. Avoid waste by reminding you of what needs attention, reducing forgotten items, and helping plan meals efficiently. Just 10 minutes a week to log your fridge and pantry can cut waste by up to 30%. When paired with analog habits like use soon zones and handwritten labels, it blends tradition with convenience, making your kitchen calmer and your choices more deliberate. Practice 6. The harmony of grouping. Grouping similar foods together, vegetables in one place, dairy in another, reduces waste and increases clarity. This follows Seiri by keeping items visible and accessible, helping you use them before they expire. It also embraces wabi-sabi by honoring food's impermanence. Start with small steps like 1 bin for leafy greens and adapt seasonally. Weekly check-ins keep things aligned, turning your fridge into a space of beauty and intentional order. Practice 7. The art of batch planning and preparation. Shokuji kakaku, thoughtful meal planning, goes beyond saving time. It keeps you aware of what's in your fridge, prevents waste, and eases daily cooking. Spending a couple of hours each week washing, chopping, and portioning food means you cook from readiness, not stress. This creates flexibility while honoring the shokunin spirit of care in every task. Done weekly, it becomes a reset for both kitchen and mind, replacing chaos with calm and purpose. A call to mindful transformation. Each of these practices, labeling, photographing, using technology, grouping, and batch preparation, brings more awareness and gratitude into your kitchen. Transformation isn't about dramatic change. It's about small, consistent choices that reduce waste, save time, and make cooking a peaceful, intentional act. By embracing Japanese principles like Mottainai, Seiri, and wabi-sabi, your kitchen becomes more than a place to store food. It becomes a space that nourishes body and soul. The harmony you create there will reflect in your daily life, making you calmer, more present, and more appreciative of what you already have.